Hi kids, my name is Riley Boadwine, and I am a farmer. And not just any kind of farmer, but a very special kind, a dairy farmer. Now you might ask yourself, what is a dairy farmer? And that's a very good and valid question. We work together with cows in order to make milk, cheese, yogurt, and the lesser known cottage cheese. But farmers can't get it done all on our own. See, every time that you go to the grocery store to buy food, that food was made by a farmer. And farmers have a special talent where we take nothing but dirt, and slowly, through many processes, we make food, which is pretty magical if you think about it. So, over the next couple months, we're going to talk about all of the ways that we do this. And today, I'm going to start you off with a little teaser about how we start literally with the dirt and eventually start working our way towards milk. Alright gang, I'm here with my best friend Dave Hawkinson, who's about to hop into this tractor, which is attached to what we call a manure applicator. So the first step in growing anything in the ground is to make sure that there's nutrients that the plants can use in order to grow. Now nutrients can come from a variety of places, but one of the main ones is manure, aka poop from cows. So we use this big machine hooked up to the tractor. The blades on the end actually will dig into the ground and place the manure inside of it. Using that manure, which has nitrogen, phosphorus, and a whole bunch of other fun stuff, the plant can suck up the nutrients in its roots and grow. But manure is not the only way that we can get nutrients into the soil. So this, last year, before we cut it, was a cornfield. Now cows eat corn in order to make the milk and the poop that we were just talking about that nutrientizes the field. But there's another important aspect to this. Soil requires biodiversity in order to maintain itself. And by planting these oats and barley into the field in the late fall, it will keep everything in place over the winter and spring. That way, we get more biodiversity. That way, the corn can suck up the nutrients better and it retains water. Because sometimes it gets dry out here. And it's our job to make sure that the ground is as healthy as it can be, so that the corn is as healthy as it can be, and that way the cows who eat the food are as healthy as they can be. That way the meat and the milk is as healthy as it can be. That's what being a farmer is all about. So, as I was saying before, these are our cows. They're Holstein cows, which are the ones with the black and white spots. And this is the food that they eat. Remember when I was over at the field talking about how we use their poop in order to grow stuff? Well, this is what we grow. And then they eat it, they get big and strong, and one day they'll make the milk, which is what makes the world go round. Milk, you heard it here. So, I can say I know a thing or two about farming. My family has been at this for a long, long time. This barn here on our farm was built in 1900, which is over 100 years ago. And it's still standing to this day. They used to milk cows in here and live and all kinds of crazy stuff. But we've got a little legacy of farming going on and we'd like to keep it going. So come along with me on this mystical journey where we learn about dairy, because truthfully, I'm still learning about it myself. We can learn together. Till next time, kids.